You gotta find your Easter egg tree. It's in there. What are you doing? Ricco, what are you doing? It's in here. Ricco, those are not all your treats. Just because it's Easter doesn't mean those are all your treats, okay? This one is. Look, I put it especially in for here. See? Yay. Come on, so cute. See? Ricco, look. Come on, what are you doing? Look, I show you. Ricco, here. See? Look, I put the treat in there. It's in the little basket. Look it. No, but wait. No. No, you gotta wait. Hold on, you gotta wait. No. Wait, Ricco, you sneaky. Sneaky. Okay, you go find it. You go get it. Oh, you're gonna dump it out? Are you trying to sneak it from there? You gotta take it from in there. You did it! Did you find your little Easter egg treat? It's not an Easter egg, but it's a piece of a walnut. Good boy! Good boy! Yay! You gonna say Happy Easter to everybody if you celebrated? Say Happy Easter! You gonna search for some more? You gonna search for some more? Was it good? Did you like it? Was it yummy? Was it good, Ricco? Ricco? Do you want to give everybody a special something? Do you want to do a peekaboo for everybody? Do you want to play peekaboo for everybody for Easter? Do you want to say peekaboo? Do you want to give a peekaboo? Peekaboo! You know you want to. Do you want to do a peekaboo? Peekaboo! Want to say peekaboo? No? Okay, tell everybody Happy Easter. Oh, now you did it. There you go. Thank you. What about the telephone? Do you want to do a dring? What's the telephone do? Telephone. What's the telephone do? Telephone. No, you're just showing off. Hey, say Happy Easter. Happy Easter. There's no more treats in there. Look, it's so cute. Can we show everybody what it is? Let go. See? I don't know if you guys can see it. So cute. Cute. Stick your little treat in there, right? I wouldn't leave this with him because it's not safe, but just for now, thought I would do something different for you. He says, yeah. You gonna say bye to everybody? Say bye-bye. Say bye, everybody. Say bye. Do you want to give them kisses? Kisses? Say I love you. Say I love you guys. Say Happy Easter. Say bye-bye.